Stop winning her over with money. Stop winning her over with money. Listen very carefully to this video. As you can see, these are dollars. Women fall in love cheaply when you present this money to them. This money is a lot of money. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of dollars. A woman can do anything to have this money when you have it. Now, a woman who is desperately in need of money, or a woman who loves material things so much, will worship this to her grave. Now, this video will help you to understand carefully the kind of woman you should date and how not to use money to bring her to yourself. Welcome back to my channel. So number one here is, when you are looking for true love, present yourself as a man who is worthy to be loved. Leave money issues. Leave money issues. Present yourself as a man who is worthy to be loved. Are you worthy to be loved? Or are you just a random man? You're worthy to be loved. So what can make you to be worthy of love without money? Your personality. Now, in this worthy of love, I'll be discussing on personality. What are your personality? The way you comport yourself as a man. See, if you comport yourself as a man, the way you carry yourself, the way you walk as a man, the way you speak as a man, the ego in you as a man, the way you stand firm, the way you look at her, and note all those things you're doing, you're not doing it in a disrespectful manner. You're doing it in a right way. So if you can comport yourself as a man, know when not to cross your boundaries, she will like you. Now, when you like a woman, let there be friendship before love. I always tell people, date your friend. Let your friend be your best friend. Let your lover be your best friend. You guys should be friends. Let her be able to confide in you in different angles. Although in most cases, when a woman begins to confide in you, she'll find it hard to fall in love with you because she feels you know a lot of her secrets. But you need to do it in a smart way. Let her feel comfortable. Most times, tell her about things about yourself. Few things about yourself, not deeper things. So it will enable her to loosen up. Sometimes call her on phone. But note, when you are doing all this, know the kind of person she is. Is she the kind of person that takes advantage of people? Because sometimes women take advantage of people. Yeah, you can be with a woman, but you know that she takes advantage. She likes to extort people. She likes to use people. The next point we're talking about here is, make sure that her peer group is not someone that, she's not like someone that her peer group influences easily. So if she's not the kind of her peer group influences easily, like she's a good Christian, she goes to church and she's okay, then you can go on with what you're sharing with her. The next one here is, once in a while, you can decide to take her out in few angles. Don't always take her out always. Like few times, take her out and spend time with her. When spending time with her, she'll tell you, oh, my house won't have expired, I need money this, I need money that, I need this, I need that. When she begins to ask too much money from the onset, just mark it as a red flag, because if a woman likes you, why would she be asking you for money from a very young relationship, like very young stage? She's already asking for money. What is she using the money to do? Even if she have something to do with it, can't she wait a little bit? And lastly, as long as you're not willing to give her money, don't ask her for sex. You need to keep your manhood to yourself. why you are actually searching to find her true self of love in you. Because once you present intimacy with her, she will definitely present money to you, because that is what she has to get in return from you. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, and share this video. Tell me your experience in the comment section, what money has done to your relationship, how money has built your relationship, how money have destroyed your relationship. Tell me your problem on the comment section, and I'll be there to respond to you as fast as possible, to listen to your pain, to your cry, and to help you solve your problem. Don't forget that this channel is dedicated to men alone who are looking for love. This channel is dedicated to men who need solution to their love affairs and the way forward. Thank you, and I love you. God bless you, and see you next time. Bye.